Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of rent. The regular rent a tenant pays to a landlord to use property or land. For example, this will give rise to increased tenant demand and rising rents in office, retail and residential properties. American pronunciation. Rent. Rent. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Rent. Say. Rent. Rent means tenant's regular payment to landlord for use of property or land. Rent. Rent. Rent origin. Middle English is derived from Old French rent. This root is shared with render. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. They asked for 2 years' rent in advance. Now, repeat after me. They asked for 2 years' rent in advance. The second practice. Can I sell the appliances to cover the unpaid rent? Now, repeat after me. Can I sell the appliances to cover the unpaid rent?
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.